Android 14 has brought very cool live wallpapers for Android users, and this is really cool. So in this case, in case you want to get a wallpaper like this right here, what you need to do is you go to your wallpapers and style, and then you go down right here and tap on more wallpapers, and then come to Emoji Workshop. This is where you can do this magic, and I'm just going to create one for you guys to see. So let's say you want to pick something like this. You have the chance to pick a lot of emojis right here. So this one, you can tap on randomize to pick on any emojis you feel like you want, and that is basically very cool. In this case, you want to just have control, so we're going to tap on edit, and then we can choose to add about 14 emojis we feel like you want. And after we are done, we tap on this, and then we can just choose to tap on this one to change the pattern we want. We can choose to make the pattern look like this, or we can choose to make the pattern look like this. Mostly I think I like the stacks pattern, which is really great, or the mosaic pattern. That is pretty much very cool. And then we tap on this one right here, colors, and then we're going to pick on any of them. Mostly I like the dark ones, which has more visuals right here. So like something like this one, and then we are going to tap on this side right here if in case we like it, and then we are good. So this is how it's going to show on your lock screen in case you have it done, and that is pretty much very good. I think this one is really nice. What I like about this most is you can tap here and then share to your friends who are not even Pixel users or Android users, and they can use this wallpaper as their wallpapers on their phones, and that's basically very cool. So once we are done, and then we like you to tap on set as wallpaper, and we are going to have it on our screens like this. What I like most about this is when you lock your screen and then you turn it on and you probably unlock your phone, you're going to have a very cool animation right here. This is very nice. And again, when you go to the wallpapers and styles, in case maybe you want to conserve some battery, what you're going to do is you go to the wallpaper right here, and then you tap on this one right here, and you can choose to turn off the live wallpaper right here. So when you tap on it like this, you're not going to get any live animations. When you unlock it, you can see you're not going to get any live animations when you unlock it. Let's go to the home screen, and then we unlock it. We're not going to get any live animations. That means we've turned off the live wallpaper right here. But when we turn it on, and then we go to our home screen, and then we tap on it to unlock, that is where we have our live wallpaper or live animation right here. That is pretty much very cool. I think I really like this Android 14, and in case you like it too, just let me know in the comment section. And what I like about this is when you make it as your wallpaper and then you turn on dark mode or light mode, it affects it too. So you can see dark mode, it changes, and then the animations also pop up. And when I change it to light mode, you're going to see right here, it's going to change right away, and that is basically very cool. I think Android 14 is actually very great, and with this Emoji Workshop is really a game changer. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this new wallpaper Android 14 or Android has brought to us, and subscribe to the channel in case you want to know more about Android 2 and then more about any other tech you feel like you want to know. You can check this video right here in case you missed my previous video, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.